Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthcare One. Did you know that the common dandelion, often dismissed as just a pesky weed, is actually a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits? That's right. Dandelion tea, made from its roots, leaves, or flowers, can support kidney health and even help lower creatinine levels. If you're looking for a natural way to detoxify your body and improve overall wellness, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of dandelion tea and how you can easily make it at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is dandelion tea? It's a herbal infusion made from the roots, leaves, or flowers of the dandelion plant, often considered a common weed. However, this plant is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. Dandelion tea has been cherished in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly for its detoxifying and diuretic properties. It's not just a tasty beverage. It's a natural remedy that can help cleanse the body, promote healthy digestion, and support kidney function. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of dandelion tea and show you how easy it is to incorporate this powerful herbal drink into your daily routine. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health or specifically support your kidneys, dandelion tea is a fantastic, natural option to consider. Let's delve into one of the most remarkable aspects of dandelion tea, its diuretic properties. But what exactly does it mean for a substance to be a diuretic, and why is this beneficial for our health, particularly for our kidneys? Let's break it down. A diuretic is any substance that promotes diuresis, the increased production of urine. Diuretics help the body get rid of excess fluid and salts, which can be beneficial in various medical conditions, particularly those affecting the cardiovascular and renal systems. When you consume a diuretic like dandelion tea, it stimulates your kidneys to excrete more water and sodium into your urine. This increased urine output helps flush out toxins and metabolic waste products, including creatinine, from the bloodstream. Dandelion tea stands out as a natural diuretic due to its rich composition of bioactive compounds. The leaves and roots of the dandelion plant contain high levels of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating fluid balance in the body. Unlike synthetic diuretics, which can deplete potassium levels and lead to a condition called hypokalemia, dandelion tea provides a natural source of potassium, helping to maintain electrolyte balance while promoting fluid excretion. Several studies have investigated the diuretic properties of dandelion. A notable study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine explored the effects of dandelion extract on fluid excretion. Participants were given a dandelion extract, and researchers observed a significant increase in the frequency and volume of urination within 5 hours of consumption. This study supports the traditional use of dandelion as a natural diuretic and underscores its potential in promoting renal health by assisting in the elimination of excess fluids and waste. Benefits of increased urine production. Increased urine production, or diuresis, has several health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. By enhancing the body's ability to excrete waste products, dandelion tea helps prevent the accumulation of harmful substances like creatinine and urea in the blood. This is especially important for individuals with compromised kidney function, as their kidneys may struggle to filter these waste products effectively. Additionally, diuretics can help reduce the risk of developing kidney stones by decreasing the concentration of minerals in the urine that can crystallize and form stones. Cardiovascular health and blood pressure management. Dandelion tea isn't just beneficial for kidney health. It can also support cardiovascular health, particularly in managing blood pressure. This is primarily due to its diuretic properties, which help reduce fluid retention by increasing urine output. By excreting excess sodium and water, dandelion tea can lower blood volume, subsequently reducing blood pressure. Lower blood pressure decreases the strain on the heart and blood vessels, reducing the risk of hypertension-related complications. Scientific studies support these benefits. For instance, a study published in the journal Nutrition Reviews highlighted that dandelion is rich in potassium, a key mineral for heart health. Potassium helps balance sodium levels, promoting better blood pressure control. The study noted that dietary potassium intake is inversely related to blood pressure, meaning higher potassium levels can help lower blood pressure. Additionally, the antioxidants in dandelion, such as flavonoids and polyphenol, help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the cardiovascular system. This can prevent the damage to blood vessels that often accompanies high blood pressure, further protecting heart health. Incorporating dandelion tea into your diet can be a natural way to support cardiovascular health, but always consult your doctor, especially if you're taking blood pressure medication. Considerations and precautions. While the diuretic effects of dandelion tea offer numerous benefits, it's essential to consume it with caution. Excessive use of any diuretic can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances, which can have adverse health effects. Moreover, if you're taking prescription diuretics or other medications, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before adding dandelion tea to your regimen. This ensures that the combined diuretic effects don't lead to excessive fluid loss or interact with your medications. How to prepare dandelion. Let's talk about how to prepare it. Making dandelion tea is simple and can be done using either the roots, leaves, or flowers of the dandelion plant. Here's a quick and easy recipe to get you started. Gather ingredients. You'll need 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root, leaf, or flower, and 1 cup of water. You can find dried dandelion at health food stores or online. Boil the water. Start by bringing the water to a boil. Steep the tea. Once the water is boiling, pour it over the dried dandelion in a cup or teapot. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. Strain and serve. After steeping, strain the tea to remove the plant material. You can add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor if desired. Enjoy. Your dandelion tea is ready to drink. It's best enjoyed warm and can be consumed up to 3 times a day. In conclusion, the diuretic properties of dandelion tea make it a powerful natural remedy for supporting kidney health and managing fluid balance in the body. By promoting increased urine production, it aids in the efficient removal of toxins and excess salts, which can help protect your kidneys and support overall cardiovascular health. However, like any remedy, it's essential to use it wisely and consult a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe and effective for your specific needs.